Hello, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to update your Windows 10 drivers. So the reason why you want to update your drivers, you want to keep your computer optimized and make sure all the hardware is working as needed, and also it helps in the performance of your computer. So I came across this program called Driver Booster. The company who makes it usually has free programs that they make. Some of them you gotta pay, but this one is a free download that comes with the ability to download the drivers. Before we get to that, to be able to see all of your drivers, you go down to the left corner here, you right click the Windows logo, and then you go to Device Manager. There's a lot of people that will purchase new computers, or they reinstall Windows, or they don't have the original CD that came with the PC. So a lot of these drivers will be missing. You'll see like a yellow triangle or something like that. And if that's the case, then the program I'm gonna show you will help you big time. And here I don't have anything missing, but I'm gonna go ahead and download the program anyways and install it. And I've used this program to all three computers that I have here. Okay, go ahead and just click install and wait for the program to finish installing. Now, if you don't like downloading, installing any programs, you're more than welcome to go online and search up for your computer and get the manufacturer drivers. Like if you have a HP or Dell, you could go to the website and download the original drivers. The problem is those drivers might be outdated. Alright, but once this program finishes installing, you can go ahead and hit scan now. Gonna try to promote you to purchase a program, but you don't have to. All right, so once it scans, it's gonna tell you, okay, you have 23 outdated drivers, and I scan through the ones that I want to update to see which ones are outdated. And don't worry about this date here, 1968. That doesn't make any sense. But generally, I will update anything that's outdated, like 2015, 16. This computer is basically 1 year old only, so I don't have a need to really update much, but I'm gonna update my network adapter. Gives you some installation notices that you could ignore. And that's another thing, what I like about this program is it actually creates a restore point prior to installing the driver. So I'm just gonna click OK. And the restore point is important because if something happens, you could just roll back to a previous restore. Okay, and you can see it's updating the driver. And once it updates, you could go ahead and restart the computer, and that will update that driver. Alright, so this is how you update all your drivers on Windows 10. It's real simple. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.